You probably have heard that James Hardie causes moisture problems, and yes, that is true. However, the answer is simple. It's due to improper installation. Here are 7 reasons why James Hardie has moisture problems. The first one is insufficient preparation of the work area. We see this all the time. Before contractors actually start working on applying the siding, they'll leave that area untreated, sometimes due to rot, sometimes due to moisture actually being on the building. So before you start anything, you want to make sure that your contractor does every step to ensure that he has a clean surface to work with the installation of fiber cement. A poorly prepared surface compromises the durability of this product. So you want to make sure that you don't compromise it and lead it to mold and rot. Number 2 reason of why James Hardie has moisture problem: improper nailing techniques. We see this oftentimes where the nails might have gone too deep into the siding or using incorrect nailing patterns. This causes a lot of corrosion and begins the process of warping the siding. Improper nailing over time can lead to very costly repairs when using this product. Improper flashing. Improper flashing is so crucial in James Hardie fiber cement. The reason being is this product can literally not touch any type of water. So the contractor must take its time around windows, around doors, around transitional areas to ensure that the fiber cement is not actually touching any moisture areas. Sometimes this crucial step is missed and it causes the siding to touch moisture, which creates immediately a decline on its lifespan. Another one, improper cutting techniques. We see this way too often, where contractors think that they can install James Hardie the same way that they install other products. So what happens is that they will make these cuts the same way that they make other product cuts, or they'll make the installation the same exact way. This unfortunately is a no-no in James Hardie fiber cement. Fiber cement must be treated exactly per manufacturer guidelines in order to ensure that it has longevity. Failure to do these often results in complete and total failure of the whole siding project. Contraction and expansion. We see this all the time where contractors either leave too much of a gap or not enough. Both are a problem when installing James Hardie. If we leave too much of a gap, oftentimes those gaps will continue to grow and the siding will be aesthetically not pleasing. And if we make them too close together, the siding will begin to bud together, especially in hot days, and will actually cause it to either crack or get damaged. Both of these are no-nos, and contractors, again, must rely to those manufacturers' strict guidelines to ensure that the cuts and the spacing is being done exactly as James Hardie has requested for its product. Inexperienced craftsmen. This is another reason why James Hardie has moisture problems. What do I mean by this? I'm talking about the contractor itself not having the training to work with fiber cement. This often leads to a lot of problems. The biggest one is that they use the incorrect tools. When working with James Hardie siding, your contractor must use a specific set of tools to cut this product and handle this product correctly. All too often, I drive by job sites of other contractors noticing that they're putting up James Hardie fiber cement siding. And the first thing I see is the incorrect tools on site. So if you're thinking about James Hardie fiber cement and you're worried about moisture problems, well, there's only one reason to be worried: if you've selected the wrong contractor. I encourage you to consider James Hardie fiber cement. It is a superior, top-notch product that has some of the best benefits, like the pests, like the upkeep of not really having to worry about paint that's chipping away, and the fire resistant, which is an extreme peace of mind. But the only way you can ensure that that happens is if you work with a contractor that is certified by James Hardie, has the James Hardie tool, knows the James Hardie product, and most importantly, has experience in installing it across many homes. And that's where we come in. So if you're looking for James Hardie fiber cement installation, make sure to give us a call because you won't have to worry about the moisture problems at Golden Group Roofing.